How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So, the first step is that you should open your Facebook app and then go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture right here, or by clicking on the profile icon if you have it here, or go to menu and click on your profile right here. And then what you're going to do is to click on these three dots on the rightmost part of edit profile and then click on turn on professional mode. If you cannot see this option, what you're going to do is to slightly scroll down and then click on the turn on professional mode. Once you clicked on that one, you may see these texts right here or what you are getting if you turn on your professional mode. So you need to click on turn on and then you should wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, what you're going to do now is to follow the steps required in order for you to finish setting up your profile. So this includes your adding a cover photo, adding your bio, your profile picture, and then right here. So you need to accomplish all of these so that you may turn on your professional mode. So that's it. That's how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.